Squash secrets, end-of-season tips, and the best squash variety. Want to grow the perfect squash for your family? From size to storage, we'll cover everything you need to know to have a successful squash season. When selecting squash, size matters. Consider how often you'll use it. Large squash are great for big families or preserving, while smaller ones are perfect for single meals. Think about your garden space too. Do you want sprawling vines or a compact plant? Ask your neighbors for recommendations on varieties that thrive in your area. Winter squash is your friend for year-round eating. These varieties store well, allowing you to enjoy fresh squash even in the off-season. Plant seeds in late summer or early fall for a winter harvest. Winter squash needs a longer growing season, typically 75 to 100 frost-free days. Start seeds indoors in peat or newspaper containers. Ensure good drainage and humus-rich soil. Transplant when the second set of leaves appears. Squash loves fertile soil, moisture, and warmth. Mix compost into the soil before planting. Space plants 3 to 6 feet apart. Keep weeds at bay and the soil consistently moist. Harvest when squash is 6 to 8 inches long. Frequent harvesting encourages more production. Store harvested squash in the refrigerator for about a week. Use it quickly for the best flavor. Squash is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Remember that squash plants have both male and female flowers. Female flowers develop into fruit, while male flowers dry and fall off. Pollination is crucial for healthy fruit development. Harvest young squash for decoration. Leaving them on the vine can hinder further production. Winter squash needs full sun and a support system like a trellis. Consider the plant's space requirements when choosing a location. Cucumber beetles and aphids can harm squash plants. They can also transmit plant diseases. Ladybugs and lacewings can help control pests. Be vigilant and watch for signs of infestation. Squash thrives in humid environments, making them susceptible to certain pests. Squash can be grown on the ground or on a trellis. Trellising keeps vines in check and saves space. Ensure full sunlight, water, and a strong support system. Not all varieties are suitable for trellising. Vine squash does best on a trellis. Avoid trampling the plants, as they are sensitive to heat. A right compost mix is essential for success. Use a mix of kitchen scraps, leaves, and mushroom compost. Avoid chemically treated wood. Raised beds are closer together and benefit from full sun. They regulate soil temperature and are easy to amend. Ground planting may not be suitable for every garden. Raised beds help extend the growing season and keep pests at bay. Select squash varieties resistant to common plant problems. The squash family includes various types, so choose wisely. Some varieties are resistant to powdery mildew and rust. Check seed packets or catalogs for information on disease resistance. Be aware of viruses in your area, such as zucchini yellow mosaic. Use appropriate pesticides and management methods. Harvest young fruit to encourage continued production. Female flowers grow on swollen stems and produce fruit. Thin seedlings to 2 or 3 plants per mound. Choose a sunny spot with moist soil. Avoid disturbing the roots during transplanting. Spaghetti squash needs 100 days to mature. Start seeds indoors 4 weeks before the last expected frost in colder climates. Select squash without disease or chilling damage for long-term storage. Avoid squash damaged by Phytophthora. Ensure stems are 2 to 3 inches long. Frost reduces the lifespan of winter squash. Harvest before temperatures drop below 40 degrees. Squash is versatile for freezing. Puree it and store in freezer trays or bags. It's great in bread, soups, and baby food. Consider delicata squash for a smaller family. It's mildly sweet and a good source of fiber. It's also great for stuffing and roasting. Now you're armed with the knowledge to grow the perfect squash for your family. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite squash variety and what you love to cook with it. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts.